Hey guys, so today we're gonna run a DEF region on Freightliner Cascadia 2020. This one came in with a high soot level and knock sensor problem. We already had the inlet and outlet knock sensor changed. So what we need a diagnostic links software to, let me show you, it's look like this. Diagnostic link software, I got 8.12 and we need the truck running for the region. So let's start the truck. Actually, let's wait for the software. I have the offline mode of this software. Turn on the key. The key turned on. Now we can see there is no check engine light or DEF light on after changing the knock sensors. Now we will turn on the truck. Now truck is running. Now we need to go to so in this software, Detroit links, we will click on service routines, and then we will open the DPF system, and in DPF system at the end it says perform parked regeneration. We will hit start and it will give you a little warning. Just read it and make sure everything is good, and then click yes. And we see the RPM will go up. Normally when we do regeneration, the RPM goes to between 10 to 12, 13.